And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Waltz gold level routine with the count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at the same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step, then a running spin turn, which consists of 3 steps of natural turn, natural pivot and open natural turn. We continue with outside change to promenade position, then wing from promenade position. From wing position we continue, man goes outside on lady's left side into open telemark, and then chasse from promenade position, continue with outside step into hesitation change. Notice heel pull here for the man. Very good. And now let's look once again to Waltz gold level routine in slow motion. So we take close hold, take preparation step diagonally to wall, and dance first 3 steps of natural turn diagonally to wall, then pivot moving down line of dance, and we finish running spin turn moving backing diagonally to center. Outside change we keep in same direction, then wing. After wing we dance diagonally to center open telemark and finish it diagonally to wall. We move in same direction with chasse from promenade position and first bar of hesitation change, and we finish hesitation change into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.